Hello friends, this is Nishit Shah, co-founder of Rainbow 9 Events, one of the fastest growing event management companies in India, currently based in Mumbai. First of all, I would like to thank each and everyone from bottom of my heart for giving such a tremendous response on my first video. Now, as discussed in my last video, I will be sharing few insights on wedding planning services in India. But before sharing that, let me share some facts and figures about wedding industry in India. So, as per the survey by KPMG, Indian wedding industry is the second fastest growing wedding industry after USA in the world. Projected growth rate of Indian wedding industry is expected anywhere between 15 to 20% annually. Indian wedding industry is expected to reach $1.6 trillion industry by the end of 2020. So wedding being an event of emotions, every parent had a plan of a dream wedding for the children. So they make sure that everything is perfect to the perfections. So my dear friends, we at Rainbow 9 Events would help you to create your dream wedding into a reality. In past 7 years, we have successfully organized close to 300 pan-India wedding events, and we have touched the life of 600 families throughout to create their dream wedding into a reality. So with a bit of this experience, I would like to share the insights of wedding planning services in India. First and the most important thing of all is to help your client to book their venue. While giving them the suggestions, these are the few points you should keep in your mind. First thing is the date of the event. When is the event happening? Second is the location of the event. Is the event happening locally or it's a destination wedding? Third thing is the budget. Is the budget of the client what he is willing to spend to book the venue? And the fourth thing is the guest list. How many guests are expected at the event? So if you make a note of these four elements, it will help you to give your client best possible venues in the best possible locations according to their budget and according to their taste and preferences. Second point comes is a detailed planning. The wedding is not a great wedding only and only if it is celebrated at a lavish venue with a lavish menu. No, my dear friends, it is a great wedding when starting from invitation cards to the decoration, to the logistics, to the hospitality, to the thank you hampers, everything is planned in detail. Detailed planning is the key of any successful wedding. Third most important element is personal touch. While organizing any wedding for any family or a couple, it is very important to understand their taste, their preferences, their likes, their dislikes. This will help you to showcase your presentation in a better way. This will help you to understand your client in a better way, like what they want, what are their needs, what are they looking out from you for their wedding. Now the fourth point comes, it is the most important of all, that is innovation and creativity. I tell you, innovation is the success to key for any business. And as far as weddings are concerned, if you organize any wedding for an Indian family, everyone wants something different, something unique, something out of the box, something they haven't seen before. Trust me, they are looking out for something different. So being into an event industry, you should have innovative and a creative approach for your clients. And the fifth, last but not the least, is the flexibility. Flexibility is something I would say which is really missing in today's world from the event managers to the clients. As far as wedding events are concerned, wedding events are events of uncertainties, events of challenges. You can't predict any wedding which will go 100% according to the plan, 100% according to the way you have planned the wedding for them. Every event, every wedding has some or the other challenges, and trust me, you must be prepared for end moment changes. You must be prepared for plan B to execute any wedding. So flexibility is a must point. So I will just go through the 5 points again. First thing is the book the venue. Second thing is the detailed planning. Third is the personal touch. Fourth, innovation and creativity. And fifth one is the flexibility. So guys, these are the 5 points. These are the some of the insights related to the wedding planning services in India that I have analyzed while organizing wedding in past few years. In my next video, I will be sharing the insights on types of events into weddings. So till then, stay tuned for further updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any questions regarding the same, you can ask us on any of our social media platforms. Till then, stay home, stay safe. This is Nishit Shah signing off, co-founder of Rainbow 9 Events. Thank you.